our basic need. He hath set his love upon me. Psalm chapter 91 verse 14. A basic need of mankind is affection. Those who abide in him are objects of God's affection and love. You cannot say that you are friendless when Christ has said, "Henceforth I call you not servants, but I have called you friends." To you who lament the fact that you have been bereft of affection and love in this life, I happily commend Christ. He loved you enough to lay down his life for you. Not only that, but by his atonement upon the cross, he purchased the favor of God in your behalf, and now through him you may be the recipient of the grace and love of God without measure. Prayer for the day. Thank you for your love, Father, that no matter where I am, in whatever situation, you are there, loving me.